inside the MC7. Very stock driver's area still. And he's still working on a few things in here, but he's getting there. Into the wild. That's really cool. Who made that?
I did.
Really? Nice job. So this folds out to a table here?
Yeah, and the TV pops out of there.
Oh, it raises up out? That's cool. And then we have a sofa couch, fold out couch kind of. Nice countertop and sink and cutting board. Kind of desk area, computer area. Got a couple mini splits. Nice stove. Is that propane or?
Yeah.
Nice. Good vent. Is that vented yet though or no?
Not yet. It's smoky in here.
Are you going to put cabinet doors on here?
Yeah, I gotta finish making them.
Okay. It's a nice full-size fridge. How'd that fit in? Take the doors off of it?
Yep. Still have to put doors here. 2 barn doors.
He's been working on the bus all day. He's a little birdie. Is there a shower on this side?
Yeah.
Oh man, that's nice in there.
You go in there.
Oh, and you got nice. And then in the bedroom, we got more closet storage.
This will be the electrical closet.
Ah.
We had all the solar.
And we have another mini split. And then, is that a king size bed?
King size bed?
King size bed. TV, and we got storage in the rear.
Closet underneath.
So roll out the drawers.
That's all stored. This all has lights. That all lights up. The bed lifts up and there's storage under there. I'm not gonna touch it right now.
Yeah, no, you don't want to touch it right now. And then, what, are you gonna put a washing machine or something in here? Or?
If I wanted to, I might take it out and put it in the vase.
So you plumbed it at least if you
Yeah.
have it. It's there. That's cool. I love the finishes that you use, the colors and the fixtures. That's very nice. And you did this all yourself, right?
Yeah.
22 years old?
Yep.
Nice house payment, huh? And I'll just get the outside of it again real quick here, but we're working on it. It's got a bad clutch in it, as you'll see. Raised roof. V71 4-speed Spicer. Nice bus. So here's what I'm working on this week. Some looks just slipping bad. Shut it down. Feel like it was slipping bad? Could you feel it slipping?
I mean, I wouldn't really have to give it much of a gas for it to start rolling.
So we're removing the drive shaft. Getting ready to pull the transmission. We've got the bus up on blocks. And he's starting to get dirty. By the end of the day, you won't even see those tattoos.
Flat nose? Yep. Here's that hammer.
So here he is up on top of the transmission. You want the big one or the little one?
Big one. There's the one. There you go.
Maybe you get some more light if I do that.
A little platform here for the jack. We're just using an ATV jack, and we have the transmission resting on it and strap tied. All the bolts are out, and we're getting ready to separate it. Or is there one? There's one bolt still in it. You can go ahead and take that out. Just make sure you don't put yourself in a dangerous position under it. Sean, in my bus, on the left-hand side, next to the toolbox, there's a couple pry bars laying there. It's not in the slide. It's like to the left of the slide, between the wall and the slide. Okay. On there. I feel like we should put something here to wedge in there. Do you have like a little, like a doorstop piece of wood type of thing, like a triangular cut piece of wood? You know what I'm talking about?
Thick shim.
Yeah. Be prepared if it falls. So that one's laying up in there. So something's definitely going on in there. Oh, the adjustment screw is all the way backed off on it there.
It's way back.
This is the flywheel side. Doesn't look that bad. This is the intermediate disc side. It doesn't look that good. There's another. Not so good. That was just spinning in there. The whole surface is free in there. And then the other side. Same thing with big chunks of it breaking off. You probably can't hear me on the camera because I got my mask on. Yeah, look at that. Wow. That's from that. Yeah, that's what wore it, is that broken one. And then that's what, because there's no pressure there, is what let that not be as tight as it should have been. So this is like always having the clutch in, is my guess. I don't know. I've never seen one off like that.
What's the piece that's missing in there? Which one? This one? Should I put this?
No, you're just gonna make a mess.
Should I put this on the thing on this?
So it's a solid mass up to, how high is that above the thing? 4 inches?
Yep.
5 inches? And we stuck this in.
Oh, yeah.
Don't get that in your eye, man.
It's solid.
You're not doing nothing. Why don't you put it up the hole in the bottom here and just
Oh, wow.
turned on water.
What does this look like to you?
You did one like that.
No, that was worse.
Oh yeah. But you should have smelled. Wow, it is solid.
Kind of stir it up a little.
Yeah.
And, yeah.
I wonder if I can
I'm
get
getting
above
all
it.
your
I wonder if I can get above it if I go this way. Nope.
It's not really coming out.
No.
It's running around it from the side.
There's not any kind of weird bladder in there. Because that's clean. Spraying back at me.
Yeah, it's just this stuff is so thick. It's just running across the top of it.
This is definitely something that should have been done.
Daily.
Oh. Oh.
That's right.
Destroys? Oh,
Oh,
scared me.
sure.
I thought it went up in there.
Hang on a second. I mean, we can wait until we air it up and put air pressure in it.
Is there not another place to put air back here? I just can't believe you can't spray it this way and make it come out over there. That's crazy. Here, see if you can see the light.
No?
Keep
Hey,
it out
hey,
of
wait,
the-
there's a light on the end of the flashlight. Let's try that.
Oh. Now look under there. You see it?
Nope.
Wow. Doesn't even.
I unplugged it. I didn't think we needed all the air.
Oh.
I missed all the fun.
I think it just blew a hole through the middle. Because it really didn't blow any gunk.
Yeah, well, there's quite a bit there, but yeah, it's not real thick. Let it sit for a minute and build up a little pressure, and more of that stuff will come to the bottom. Okay, give it a couple shots. So what it's doing is it's oozing back down towards the hole. It's real thick up in there, so we'll keep doing that until it doesn't come out anymore.
Oh, yeah, I got a lot of it. My trout.
Do it again. I would just stop, and then just as long as there's something coming out, and as soon as it stops, just let it, because you just got to wait for it to slime back down to the bottom. We're just blasting the hole out of the middle of it, and
Yeah, the smaller you can make it open instead of going real far. Just after it goes up it, yeah, just a little bit. Right? Okay. That's too far. Now let it roll up. I thought if you just barely open it, it might push a little bit.